No one on the New York Jets is safe this offseason, even while they're vacationing in Disney World, the happiest place on earth. Just ask veteran center Nick Mangold, who shared this post with the hashtag, "That escalated quickly." Well, Nick, it keeps on escalating. After Darrelle Revis was told he will be released, Brandon Marshall took to Instagram to thank the organization after learning he too will be let go. At least he wasn't on Space Mountain, we hope. Marshall will be 33 at the start of the 2017 season, but is sure to be an attractive free agent option.